Imagine your everyday commute transformed into a smooth, efficient, and enjoyable journey. The KAISDA K601 electric bike is here to redefine what city riding can be. With a powerful yet whisper-quiet 250W brushless motor delivering 50 Nm of torque, you'll feel the responsive acceleration and steady performance whether cruising on flat roads or tackling modest inclines. Designed with practicality and comfort in mind, the rear-drive motor ensures stable handling, better traction, and minimal maintenance, perfect for the urban explorer. At the heart of the K601 is a robust 36V 16Ah battery system, built with cells from DMEGC, a Fortune 500 company. This high-capacity power source not only offers a reliable range of up to 65 kilometers in full electric mode, but also features a smart lock system and easy detachment, so you can bring the battery indoors for charging without the hassle. Whether it's your daily commute or a weekend ride through the city, you'll have dependable power to get you there and back. For those who demand both safety and control, the KAISDA K601 is equipped with precision-engineered CY26 by 2.5-inch dual compound rubber tires. With a tread design for both pavement speed and off-road grip, these tires also feature EPS puncture protection, keeping you confident no matter the road conditions. Combined with the reliable Shimano 7-speed transmission system, gear transitions are smooth and effortless, allowing you to find your perfect cadence at every moment. The integrated color LCD screen adds a modern touch of convenience. It's bright enough for full sunlight readability and displays key metrics like speed, battery level, and mileage in real time. Plus, there's a USB port to charge your phone on the go, keeping you connected throughout the ride. Whether it's checking your stats or powering your device, everything is right at your fingertips. Safety is never an afterthought. The KAISDA K601 features premium STVZO-compliant optical headlights and taillights, which cast a broad beam of light for excellent nighttime visibility. You'll feel confident riding in low-light conditions, knowing you're clearly seen and safely guided on your path. And finally, this e-bike is built for real-life utility. With a sturdy rear rack, full fender coverage, and waterproof cabling, it's designed to handle everyday tasks with ease, whether it's carrying groceries, shielding you from road spray, or ensuring long-term durability in changing weather. The KAISDA K601 isn't just a ride, it's your dependable city companion.